Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I don't know if you remember back to this winter when I ordered this window box, but boy am I glad to have it and have it installed now. So this is a copper finish window box that I ordered from H. Potter. They do some beautiful work. And I'm going to plant it up for the first time. This is a little longer than the window boxes I usually do on the shed, so I think I can stuff more plants in here. We're going to fill this window box with these 3 plants. Doesn't that just look beautiful there? We have Dichondra Silver Falls, which, as you can tell, has this beautiful trailing habit and will just cascade over gorgeously. I love how delicate it is. To me, this is just an elegant looking plant. I have our Browallia. This is Proven Winner's Endless Illumination. They have Browallia in white and purple, and to me the purple just shows up gorgeously. It also has a bit of a trailing habit too, so it'll sort of come up a bit and then you'll get some trailing. And then this is the Rockapulco Coral Reef. Look at the brightness of this color. Oh, I love this. This is a double impatient, and in a shady area where you're looking to brighten things up and to make it look really alive, this color is just what I'm looking for. This is the Coral Reef color. Okay, so let me lay these out and get them planted in. Your double impatient is going to get to be pretty tall. This can get 10 to 20 inches tall. So I'm putting this in the back here. It's going to cover some of the window. That is okay. I am hoping it does that. And then we'll have all the trailers out front. Oh, I think that's going to work really good. So what I have is I have the 4 Browallia interspersed with our Dichondra Silver Falls, and then I have 4 of the Coral Reef Rockapulco behind it, but I kind of staggered them so they can all fit in. Right now they look a little short in the back, but don't worry, they're going to get taller. Okay, so I've tried to center everything. I have the 3 Dichondra Falls. I tried to make sure this one's in the center, and then 2 of each of the Browallia. Same with the double impatiens. And they're hiding back there, but before long, they'll be much taller and you'll really be able to see them. I'm a little low on soil in here, so I could add a little more potting mix, but I'm actually going to top this off with some of the worm castings. It'll just give it that much more rich medium to grow in. There we go. I really have been finding the worm castings to work really, really well. Okay, I think we're going to need a little more soil. We just want to gently nestle these all in. So we're all set here. I don't want any of my leaves buried though. Oh, this looks much better. And now I can just really gently firm these into place. Perfect. And there were drainage holes in the bottom of this, so we're all set with that. Let me step back and make sure I like it. This looks fabulous, and I will show it to you in a couple weeks when things have filled in even more. It's going to be beautiful. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.